Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Danielle Warren. I'm so glad that you're here today. I am so excited because my family and I are going to Disney World very soon, and I have basically planned some really fun surprises for my family that they don't know about. We haven't been with the kids in about 5 years. They've been to Disneyland, but they haven't been to Disney World since 2019. So this is a big trip for us. We're staying at Caribbean Beach and we're doing all kinds of fun birthday celebration things like Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique and a few other fun things. But anyway, I am gonna be decorating the room to surprise my family when they come in, because I'm actually gonna be getting to Disney a few days early to do my own solo thing. But after that, they're gonna come in. I'm making baskets for each of them as part of their birthday surprises. And just like, I don't know, I think it would be really cool to like walk into a hotel room and have gifts waiting for you. Like, isn't that what everybody wants? I mean, just to come in and like see a flower arrangement or a bottle of wine or a gift basket, or like, you know, anytime there's little surprises, it's just always so fun. So I was like, I would love to do something really fun for my family. So I decided, I had seen on the Disney website, like you can order gifts and have them in the room. So if you don't have time to like be all crafty, you can totally order them through Disney and have them leave gifts in a room for somebody, which is really fun. If you have a family member celebrating a special occasion or something, there can be something there waiting for them. But I decided, since I love crafty things and it just gives me a reason to, I don't know, play with a glue gun and make something cute, I don't know. I decided to make my own. I also figured I could save money doing that, because sometimes like the gifts that you would get through Disney would be a little more expensive for what you get. Like the value's not as good, it just depends. But again, the convenience, it's wonderful. But I figured I'll just get a bunch of snacks that my kids love and get them some toys discounted on Shop Disney and just, you know, some different things. So I'm just gonna show you what I've been working on and how I'm going through the process of creating these baskets, and just walk you through so that if you wanna get some ideas for doing a surprise for some family members to yourself, you can do that. Or like, it's great for anything, like a birthday. You don't have to be going to Disney World to do a fun basket. So even if you were doing it for just because gift, or somebody's birthday or some other special occasion, it's just a fun Disney themed gift basket. Also, if you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I would so appreciate it if you love all things travel, travel tips, hotel reviews, resort tours, all kinds of fun highlights from theme parks, as well as different locations out of the country and cruises, then I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos, and join this community of travel-loving viewers. All right, so let's jump in and I'll show you what I'm doing. Here's the first thing I'm doing for these bins. I got these bins at the dollar store. So they were $1.25. Actually, let me go ahead and take this. So this is my layout. I haven't actually glued it on yet. But they're just like little like organizer bins. I got them in like the office organizer section. But anyway, so I'm basically taking cutouts of things like that I've gotten from Disney brochures, like the little books that you get when you plan your trips, anything that I've found or that I've kept. Some of these I took from a little sock set that I got one time. It was like a Disney sock set. And so I've got like all these just random clippings that I have. You know, like sometimes I end up using these for Valentine's boxes. If the girls are really into a certain character, we'll make our boxes with things like this. So anytime I can just clip things out, I'll just keep them in a little baggie or a box, and then I can use them for stuff like this. So this is gonna be the outside or the front part of their little gift baskets. Another place to find little cutouts is on the backs or fronts of coloring books, like old coloring books that maybe the kids don't use anymore, or, you know, after a while they kind of get tired of the same coloring books, but you can still use like the outside covers of things and cut those off to have decorations. I found these old emoji sticker books that the girls did, and they pretty much had finished all of them. So I thought I might, the papers are kind of thin, so I thought I might cut them out and laminate them, and then I can also use those to decorate these bins. I've got my glue gun here, and I'm just gonna glue these little pieces to these little bins. All right, I have already laminated a lot of these things, so I have all these little individually laminated items, and that way I'm gonna kind of figure out how I'm gonna design each of these. I'm actually gonna do one for my husband too. So I've got my glue gun over here, and I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna put some of these on the baskets and decorate them. I used my laminated little things from the kids' sticker books right here, and then I just cut out some letters and put it on a poster board that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I just made some holes in here, and I have ribbons, and then I bought some suction cups, and we're gonna decorate the windows with that. And I did this one too. And this is just a bunch of things that I cut off of boxes or anything that we had that was Disney kind of here and there, and I just collected it, Disney brochures and stuff. And then it's laminated. I did like a hole punch, and I have ribbon again, and I'm just gonna hang this with suction cups on our window. And then I think I got these, I can't remember, sometime from Disney. It was like a sheet. I got like a sheet of stickers, and so that's what I used for that. Okay, now I'm gonna take some different shaped bowls, and I'm going to trace around them to make my Mickey ears. I'm actually gonna just do a whole Mickey head so we can take them out and use them as decorations if we want to. So I'm just gonna trace around these different shaped bowls. These are gonna be the ears. So these will be the ears, and then this will be the head. Okay, I got these ears at Aldi for $5. They were like $4.99. So I got both my girls a pair of ears from Aldi. I did get them one other pair of ears, but this is kind of how I'm filling them. I've got little snacks that my kids like gummy bears, Double Bubble, Nerds, little Oreo cookies. I mean, we're gonna eat other stuff while we're there, but I wanted them to have little snacks they could put in their park bags. My husband likes Ale-8s, so I put a couple of Ale-8s in here, and some Reese eggs that I got around Easter time, and some Smarties or Sweet Tarts and peanuts, and then a big bag of white cheddar puff corn from Trader Joe's because he really loves that. And then I got these Nuimos on sale. Well, I guess it was last month. I can't remember. It was like a Mother's Day sale they had going on. And so I got a Mickey one for my daughter that loves Mickey and Minnie. And then I got this Elsa one to go with Mackenzie's bag. So I'll show you, I'll put one of these together and show you what I'm doing and the finished product. I forgot to put the salt and vinegar chips in this one, so I'm just gonna kind of wrap the ears around that, and then I made a Mickey head that I'm gonna kind of, I think I'm gonna get a glue dot and put a glue dot on the back so the ears kind of stick out. It's not as big as I was wanting to make them. I may try to make the other ones a little bit bigger, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll put this one on my husband since his stuff is a little, he has a little less stuff in his bag, that might work. And then I'll try to make the other heads just a little bit bigger. I also got these chocolate croissants at Aldi to add to the basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of croissants to the basket. I got these cello rolls at the dollar store for $1.25 each. The baskets are pretty big and I don't know how much plastic is on each of them. So I went ahead and got 3, 1 for each basket. Thank you all so much for watching this video and staying to the end. I hope this was helpful for you to see just a crafty way to make some fun gift baskets for your family or friends. If you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, it would mean the world to me if you would like it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. That way you can join our travel loving community. Thanks again for stopping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.